the United States government owes Canada the respect to at least sit down with us.
It's a little bit like betting in a casino and being surprised when you lose.
Alberta's pipe dreams could be coming to an end with reports President-elect Joe Biden plans to kill the Keystone XL project as one of his first tasks at the White House. The Premier says Canadian and U.S. lawyers are in place to challenge a decision, but some energy watchers warn it's a lost cause.
Under the Canada-United States-Mexico trade agreement and other international instruments, that there would be a solid legal basis to at the very least seek damages.
This energy law expert says recovering taxpayer money will depend on if TC Energy has a case.
To try to file a lawsuit in federal court in the U.S. arguing that the president doesn't actually have the power to revoke or grant a permit via executive order, and that the original permitting process that involved the State Department should be reinstated. But doing that doesn't get you the permit back. It means you might have to go back to the State Department and refile.
Just last year, the province agreed to invest about $1.5 billion as equity in the project, with billions more in loan guarantees. TC Energy Corp announced Sunday it plans net zero emissions when Keystone XL is running, but transition documents say Biden will sign an executive order to block the project as early as Wednesday. But the project and Alberta's ambitions to boost its economy after spiraling through years of oil price lows doesn't align with Biden's environmental platform.
Jason Kenney has shown again and again that he is not willing to look at the evidence or where the global markets are, and he has doubled down on bad investments that do not create jobs for work.
When you have to move more by rail, it lowers the price for all the production Alberta has, which means less taxes and royalties, less profits for the companies. And that means less jobs and less investment.
But the greater risk?
The same folks trying to kill other Canada-U.S. pipelines will be emboldened by this if it is a precedent. And if those projects are jeopardized, the costs will be in the tens of billions of dollars.
But it's a risk some say is foolish to gamble on.
I don't think that the U.S. cares about Canadian pipelines. The United States has its own multi-trillion-dollar shale industry. It has other trading partners.
In Calgary, Crystal Ladarius, City News.